Knock, knock. Hello. How you feeling?
I am amazed. Not too bad at all.
Okay. I'm just going to kind of take a look. Can you squeeze me? And wrist feels good. Elbow feels good. All right, wonderful. So we are about 2 weeks out from surgery, and you had a repair of your rotator cuff. We did some imaging, and that showed that there was actually a tear. Dr. Perez went in there, repaired that tear, and increased the space within your shoulder joint that was causing some of that pain. How have the first couple of weeks been?
The pain bothers me until I finally take that sleeping pill. I'm in the bed, but it's
kind of propped up.
It is. She's the one that's suffering from it.
Well, ain't that the truth? The only things I really want you to be doing this here. So you can be squeezing that, range of motion exercises with the wrist and the elbow. You can do a little bit of pendulum hanging, but that's it.
Can I spank my child with it?
No, do not. Give it 2 weeks.
No, I'm just kidding.
We will see you back here in clinic in 6 weeks. Then after that appointment, you will see Dr. Perez for your final appointment 8 weeks after. Okay. And you'll be doing all sorts of stuff by that point. Backstroke, cartwheels, the whole spanking, I don't know.
There you go.
I'm not going to endorse that. But question?
That's it.